Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the top 5 best hard floor cleaner of 2025? Are my full reviews of the top 5 best hard floor cleaner of 2025. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for a future update. Thank you. Number 1, the Mova K30 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, and it has completely changed the way I clean my floors. This vacuum mop is not just powerful, it's smartly designed for real, everyday needs. With 180 degrees lie-flat reach, it easily slides under beds, couches, and other low furniture where dust and pet hair usually hide. The dual-edge cleaning feature is a game changer, letting me get right up against baseboards and corners without missing spots. One of my favorite aspects is the 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying that keeps the roller fresh and hygienic after each use. No more damp, smelly brushes. The 18,000 Pascal suction power is strong enough to pick up everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair, and it transitions seamlessly between wet and dry messes. For pet owners and families, this is a huge plus. The self-cleaning mode also saves time and keeps maintenance effortless, while the smart display gives clear updates on battery, cleaning mode, and performance. It feels modern, efficient, and built for convenience. Overall, the Mova K30 combines mopping, vacuuming, and drying into one sleek machine, making it an ideal choice for hard floors and busy households. If you want a powerful, all-in-one cleaner that actually simplifies your routine, this is definitely worth it. Number 2, the Tineco Floor 1S5 Smart Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop, and has quickly become a game-changer for cleaning hard floors. This all-in-one device vacuums and mops simultaneously, saving both time and effort. The smart digital display is intuitive, showing real-time updates on battery life, cleaning status, and even when it's time for maintenance. With its long runtime, it easily covers larger areas without interruption. I was especially impressed with how effectively it handles sticky messes and pet hair, leaving floors spotless and streak-free. Its slim, space-saving design makes storage simple, and the cordless feature gives true freedom of movement. Compared to traditional mops and vacuums, the S5 feels modern, efficient, and powerful. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your hard floors clean, this Tineco model is definitely worth considering. Number 3, the Kenmore HF5010 AquaLite 3 in one cordless wet-dry vacuum hard floor cleaner. You did a great job highlighting its versatility as both a vacuum and mop, and I like how you clearly explained the automatic air-drying feature and one-edge self-cleaning mop, which make it more convenient than many traditional cleaners. The demo of the 35-minute runtime was very helpful. It gave a real sense of how much cleaning can be done on a single charge. I also appreciated your breakdown of the cordless design, which makes it easy to maneuver around tight spaces and furniture. The way you showed the unit transitioning between wet and dry cleaning really emphasized its 3-in-1 functionality. Overall, your video made it clear why this model is a strong choice for people who want efficient floor care without lugging multiple devices around. Very informative and easy to follow. Number 4, the Shark Steam Mop S1000, and I'm really impressed with how simple yet effective it is for everyday cleaning. It heats up quickly and uses just water, no chemicals, which makes it safe for kids and pets. The 2 machine washable dirt grip pads are super convenient and eco-friendly, saving money over disposable options. I like the removable water tank. It's easy to fill and swap out without making a mess. The mop itself is lightweight and glides smoothly across sealed hard floors, whether tile, laminate, hardwood, marble, or stone, leaving them looking spotless and streak-free. It's compact enough for small storage spaces, but powerful enough to tackle tough messes. If you're looking for an affordable steam mop that's easy to use, durable, and delivers professional-level cleaning at home, the Shark S1000 is a great choice. It makes cleaning less a chore and more of a quick refresh for your floors. Number 5, the BISSELL Crosswave Turbo All-in-One Wet and Dry Vac Combo Model 3888A, and it was super informative. The demonstration really highlighted how versatile this vacuum mop is, tackling both hard floors and area rugs with ease. I loved how clearly you showed the dual function of vacuuming and washing at the same time, which makes cleaning so much quicker compared to traditional methods. The video also did a great job showing the powerful suction and how efficiently it picked